Hi, I'm Sam Miano. I'm a designer and outdoorsman, and just like you, I love taking photos on the move. In 2021, we launched on Kickstarter, and thanks to the incredible backers, it was a great success. We were overwhelmed by product ideas for the Qimera gear range, so we're back now on Kickstarter with 3 exciting new products for pro and amateur photographers, videographers, vloggers, influencers, and EDC fans. Frustrated by slow connect camera straps and those annoying dangly anchors, I designed the Qimera strap system. It's a patent-pending, quick connect locking mechanism without anchors, inspired by rock climbing and surfing gear. This isn't your typical strap system. Crafted from durable materials and it won't scratch your gear. Compatible with nearly any gadget featuring a closed attachment loop. Inspired by and designed in Japan, it's ultra-low profile and modular, making it a perfect companion for any camera. Security is paramount, so we've ensured that it stays put until you want to take it off, making it not only reliable, but a theft deterrent. And we've even upgraded our proprietary pigtails to be tougher and more resilient. Introducing our 3 exciting new products available to backers. The Qimera wrist strap. All the features of our quick connect neck strap now in a sleek wrist strap. Perfect for studio and street photography, especially with smaller setups. Works great with GoPros and binoculars. The silky smooth nylon webbing automatically tightens on your wrist, keeping your gear safe at all times. The universal Qimera strap attachment. Turn any existing camera strap into a quick connect Qimera strap. Compatible with closed loop straps, making your favorite slow connect strap versatile and anchor free. The Qimera EDC keyring. The convenience of the Qimera system in a keyring. Carry keys, pocket tools, memory sticks, anything with a carry hole, safely and conveniently, then remove it without breaking a nail. Clip it onto bags and belt loops so it's always with you. Our products are not just functional, they're designed for robustness and aesthetics, exceeding strength requirements for peace of mind. Quick connect without anchors to help you shoot better and capture perfect moments effortlessly. Qimera is more than a brand, it's your reliable companion for every adventure. Come with us on our journey on Kickstarter today and join a community of hundreds of creators worldwide